In a world filled with wonders, there exists a delicate balance, a dance of life unseen but essential. Welcome to the captivating tale of how biodiversity influences health and society. Our story begins in a picturesque village where people thrive in harmony and nature. In this enchanting garden, a multitude of life coexists, contributing to its flourishing beauty. Just like butterfly effect, where a tiny butterfly's wings can cause a hurricane on the other side of the world, every creature in our ecosystem plays a part in shaping our health and society. But not all stories have happy endings. Human activities can disrupt the harmony of nature, leading to loss of biodiversity and severe consequences for health and society. But there's hope. Communities are coming together to protect and restore biodiversity. Biodiversity not only enriches our lives with diverse landscapes and wildlife, but also it provides essential services and improves our well-being. Across the globe, people are making differences by establishing protected areas, promoting sustainable practices, and raising awareness about the importance of biodiversity. As we move forward, we see a vision of greener, healthier, and happier world, where the beauty of biodiversity continues to connect all of us. And so, the story of how biodiversity influences health and society continues, reminding us that we are all interconnected in nature's grand web.
We hope that this journey has inspired you to appreciate and safeguard the incredible diversity of life that surrounds us. Together, 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 we can make a positive impact on our health, society, and the planet.